Christmas, everyone.
Who's ready for another episode of Soul Wrap?
Me.
Let's get started.
I want to thank everyone again for watching. Good luck.
Ta-da! Who wants to pick?
Who gets to pick tonight?
Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get to. Okay.
All right. Let's see who the lucky winner is tonight.
Lucky winner.
Lucky winner.
Is
You can read it if you want.
Donnie Sopsack.
Let's see. Winner of tonight's giveaway is Donnie Sopsack from Orland Hills. Good job. Yeah, preferred prize, Apple TV. The Apple TV 4K media player. Very nice. Good job.
We have Apple TV.
You do. So what?
Thank
What do you think? Should we do another one tonight?
Yeah.
Let's go for another one. Let's do it.
Let's pick another winner. Wow, my finger got
Yeah, excited to add a second raffle tonight.
too many. Ta-da!
Ooh, nice
Okay,
house.
lucky winner again.
Our second lucky winner of the night is... Who is it?
Sharon.
Second lucky winner of tonight is Sharon
Wojcicki.
from Tinley Park. Preferred prize, $150 cash. Wow.
Yay. Thank you so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another raffle. Bye.
Bye.